ATD Tools, 9-piece SAE Ratcheting Flexible Head Extra Long Wrench Set includes sizes that range from 5/16 to 3/4 of an inch. These wrenches feature both ratcheting and non-ratcheting ends. The non-ratcheting end is perfect for breaking loose stubborn fasteners, whereas the ratcheting flex head box end gives adjustable access in hard-to-reach areas. The patented spherical spline design works on 6 different fastener types. The 12.0-degree offset box end provides a secure fit onto fasteners for higher torque and added clearance. The 180-degree flex and extra long design provides enhanced torque and access. The 72-tooth ratchet mechanism provides a smooth and precise operation. Manufactured using quality chrome-molybdenum alloy steel for higher strength and durability. The set comes with an EVA foam tray for convenient storage. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of ATD products, please visit atdtools.com.